Want to explore financial topics to help you make smarter choices with your money? In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: the cost of convenience, how small expenses add up to big financial impact. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Have you ever stopped to think about how the little expenses we hardly notice can actually have a significant impact on our financial well-being? It's easy to overlook those daily conveniences that make our lives easier, but they can come at a price. Today, we're going to shed some light on the true cost of convenience and how it can affect your financial future. Segment 1. Questioning the convenience. Let's start by questioning the convenience we often take for granted. Think about it. That daily takeaway coffee, the frequent rideshare trips, or those impulse online purchases. They may seem harmless individually, but when we add them up, the impact can be surprising. Convenience is an integral part of our modern lives. We live in a fast-paced world where time is of the essence, and convenience seems like a small luxury we can afford. However, it's essential to pause and reflect on the true cost of these conveniences. Take the daily takeaway coffee, for instance. It's a quick and easy way to get our caffeine fix without the hassle of brewing it ourselves. But have you ever stopped to calculate how much you spend on coffee each year? According to statistics, the average person spends over $1,000 annually on coffee alone. That's enough to make you rethink your daily caffeine routine. By simply questioning this convenience, we can start to understand how small expenses add up over time. Moving on to rideshare trips, they have revolutionized transportation with their ease and accessibility. Need a ride? Just a few taps on your smartphone, and a car arrives at your doorstep. However, while these trips offer convenience, they come at a cost. The fares may seem reasonable when you look at them individually, but when you start to tally up the number of rides you take in a year, the impact on your wallet becomes apparent. Rideshare expenses can quickly add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. Online shopping is yet another example. The convenience of browsing through countless products and having them delivered to your doorstep is hard to resist. However, the ease of online shopping can lead to impulsive purchases. Those small items that catch your eye may seem insignificant at the moment, but when you look at your credit card statement, you realize the cumulative effect they have on your finances. These seemingly harmless expenses can accumulate over time, resulting in a big financial impact. Segment 2. The financial ripple effect. Now let's dive into the financial ripple effect of these small expenses. When we spend money on daily conveniences without thinking about the long-term impact, it can hinder our ability to achieve bigger financial goals, like saving for emergencies, investing, or even buying a house. Every dollar we spend on convenience could have been saved or invested for future growth. It's important to consider the opportunity cost of those small expenses. What could that money have become if it had been used differently? Let's take the example of daily takeaway coffee again. By spending $3, $5 every day on coffee, you could be missing out on the opportunity to save that money or invest it. Over time, those small daily expenses add up to a significant sum. Instead of being used for wealth-building endeavors, that money goes towards short-lived convenience. The same principle applies to rideshare trips. While they offer convenience and save you time, the cost of multiple rides each week can hinder your ability to set aside money for important financial milestones. That money could have been put towards an emergency fund, retirement savings, or other long-term goals that provide greater financial security. Online shopping, with its ease and accessibility, can also lead to a ripple effect on your finances. Impulsive purchases may bring short-term gratification, but they often result in unnecessary expenses that could have been avoided. By accumulating small expenses over time, you may find yourself struggling to make progress towards bigger financial goals. Segment 3. Strategies for overcoming the convenience trap. But fear not. We're not here to make you feel guilty about your latte or online shopping habits. Instead, let's explore some practical strategies to overcome the convenience trap and make more intentional financial choices. The first step is to create a budget that allows for conscious spending. By tracking your expenses and setting financial priorities, you can allocate your resources more effectively. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing too much convenience. For example, instead of buying a daily takeaway coffee, consider brewing your own coffee at home. This small change can lead to significant savings over time. Seeking alternative options is another effective strategy. Look for ways to balance convenience and cost savings. For transportation, consider carpooling or using public transit when feasible. It not only saves you money but also reduces your carbon footprint. When it comes to online shopping, practice mindful browsing and only purchase items that you genuinely need or truly bring value to your life. Developing financial awareness is crucial. Regularly review your spending patterns, track your expenses, and stay mindful of the bigger picture. Understanding the true cost of convenience will empower you to make more informed decisions. It's about finding a balance that aligns with your long-term financial aspirations. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating convenience from our lives. Convenience itself is not inherently bad. It's about being aware of the financial impact and making conscious choices that support your overall financial well-being. By questioning convenience, understanding the financial ripple effect, and implementing strategies to overcome the convenience trap, you can regain control over your finances and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Segment 4. Cultivating financial awareness. Now that we've explored the cost of convenience and strategies for overcoming the convenience trap, let's dive into the importance of cultivating financial awareness. This is a key element in making sound financial decisions and achieving your long-term goals. One of the most effective ways to cultivate financial awareness is by tracking your expenses. Keep a record of every dollar you spend, whether it's on daily conveniences or larger purchases. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can make adjustments. There are numerous budgeting apps and tools available that can simplify this process, allowing you to categorize your expenses and analyze spending patterns. Regularly reviewing your spending patterns is equally important. Take the time to sit down and assess your expenses on a monthly or quarterly basis. Look for any patterns or trends that may be impacting your finances. Are there certain convenience expenses that consistently eat away at your budget? Are there opportunities for cost-saving measures? By identifying these patterns, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut back or reallocate your funds. Another aspect of cultivating financial awareness is staying mindful of the bigger picture. Remind yourself of your long-term financial goals and aspirations. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting a business, or building a retirement nest egg, these goals require a proactive approach. By keeping your goals in mind, you can evaluate the true value of convenience expenses in relation to your priorities. Educating yourself about personal finance is another powerful way to enhance your financial awareness. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts who share valuable insights and strategies. The more you understand about money management, budgeting, and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed choices. In addition to self-education, consider seeking guidance from financial professionals. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances and goals. They can help you create a comprehensive financial plan, offer strategies for saving and investing, and provide accountability to keep you on track. Investing in professional guidance can have a significant impact on your financial journey. Alongside financial awareness, it's essential to cultivate a mindset of delayed gratification. Often, convenience expenses provide instant gratification, but they may hinder your long-term financial progress. Practice discipline and the ability to delay immediate desires in favor of larger financial goals. It may require making sacrifices or choosing alternatives, but the rewards will be worth it in the end. Lastly, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial aspirations. Engage in conversations about personal finance, join online communities or local meetups, and seek support from friends or family members who prioritize financial responsibility. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can provide motivation and accountability, creating a positive environment for financial growth. By cultivating financial awareness, you're empowering yourself to make deliberate choices that align with your values and long-term goals. You become the master of your finances rather than being controlled by impulsive convenience expenses. Remember, Achieving financial freedom is a journey, and it requires ongoing effort and commitment. But with each small step you take towards cultivating financial awareness, you'll be moving closer to a more secure and prosperous future. And there you have it, folks. The true cost of convenience and how those small expenses can add up to a big financial impact. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating convenience from our lives, but rather finding a balance that aligns with our long-term financial aspirations. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance. Share this video with your friends and family to start a conversation about the cost of convenience. Together, we can make smarter financial choices and achieve our dreams. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay financially savvy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.